Hello friends, welcome to Computer Bean. Today, I'll teach you how to fill the Online Anti-Ragging Undertaking Form step by step. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful videos. The Anti-Ragging Undertaking is an online form that every student and their parent must fill out to declare that they will not take part in or support any act of ragging in the institution. It is a mandatory part of the UGC regulations to ensure a safe and respectful campus environment. After filling out the form, a reference number is generated and the undertaking forms for both student and parent must be signed and submitted to the college or university. Let's get started. First, open Google and type anti-ragging in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. Once the website opens, go to the undertaking menu and click on Register. If you belong to a university, then select University. Now, fill in your details carefully. First name, middle name and last name. Mobile number. Email address. Select gender, city name, state, nationality. Next, fill in your parents' details: name, mobile number, email ID, city, state, and address. Now move to university and course details. Select state. Select your university name. After this, your university details will appear automatically. Now, fill in the Vice Chancellor's name. If you don't know it, you can find it on Google. Open Google and search for your university Vice Chancellor's name. Then copy and paste it here. For the university phone number, open your university's official website, go to the Contact Us section, scroll down, copy the contact number and paste it here. Copy the landline number and paste it here. Now fill in course name, number of students in your class, current year of study, nearest police station. You can search it on Google. Read the UGC regulations carefully and tick the checkbox. Then read the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court and tick the checkbox again. Next, check the box I understand that if I am accused of ragging. Finally, tick the last box. Now, fill in the confidential survey. For the Anti-Ragging Helpline Number, open Google and search Anti-Ragging Helpline Number. Copy the number and paste it in the form. Recheck all your details carefully. If everything is correct, click on I have rechecked the form. Then click Submit Form. After submission, you'll see a reference ID. Note it down carefully. To download your filled form, go to Undertaking, Download, enter your reference number, email ID and mobile number. Click on Submit. Your form will be downloaded. Now, take a printout of the form. sign on the Undertaking by Students section and ask your parents to sign on the Undertaking by Parents section. Finally, submit the signed forms to your institution. That's it, you've successfully filled and submitted the Online Anti-Ragging Undertaking Form. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Computer Bean for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.